The 2013 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel independent suspension, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, center armrest, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.